Get ready for a mind-bending journey into the origins of our planet and its mysterious neighbor, Theia, a cosmic collision of epic proportions. Imagine a time, 4.5 billion years ago, when a Mars-sized body, Theia, collided with our proto-Earth, creating a molten mess of rock and metal. From this chaotic encounter, two distinct objects emerged, locked in an eternal dance, Earth and its moon. But the story doesn't end there. It's about to get even more intriguing. Unveiling Theia's origins. Here's where it gets controversial. Scientists have long debated Theia's birthplace. Recent research suggests that Theia might have been a local, originating from the cozy confines of our inner solar system. In fact, it could have been a close neighbor to proto-Earth, perhaps even closer to the Sun than our planet's early formation site. A tale of chemical signatures. Researchers analyzed samples from Earth, the Moon, and meteorites, delving into the ratios of various isotopes. These isotopes, like lighter or heavier versions of elements, hold clues to a body's formation and origin. The composition of a celestial body, as MPS cosmochemist Torsten Klein explains, is like a historical archive, telling the story of its creation. As a planet cools, its materials settle based on differences in mass, melting points, solubility, and affinity for other minerals. This process is akin to a medieval dragon hoarding its precious jewels, with some elements sinking deep into the core while others remain in the mantle. Iron, for instance, along with its companion metal molybdenum, would have quickly descended into the depths of proto-Earth's core. Zirconium, on the other hand, has remained in the mantle throughout Earth's existence, never sinking into the core. This leads to a crucial question: where did the iron now found in Earth's mantle come from? The answer, it seems, lies in a world-shattering cosmic impact. The search for Theia's ingredient list. By comparing isotope ratios from different parts of the solar system, researchers deduced a potential ingredient list for Theia, tracing its origin. Variations within the giant molecular cloud that formed the Sun and its protoplanetary disk billions of years ago favored the accumulation of different elements and isotopes, much like a poorly mixed cake batter. The Moon's chemical signature of iron, chromium, calcium, titanium, and zirconium matches Earth's, but the isotopes assigned to Theia are unique and don't match Earth's building blocks. Lead author and MPS geoscientist, Timo Hopp, concludes, the most convincing scenario is that most of the building blocks of Earth and Theia originated in the inner solar system. Earth and Theia were likely neighbors. A historic clash and a drifting moon. The clash between these neighbors gave us our beloved Moon, which has been gradually drifting away from Earth ever since. Currently, it's moving at a leisurely pace of 1.5 inches, 3.8 centimeters, per year. This groundbreaking research, published in the journal Science, sheds light on the early days of our solar system and the formation of our planet and its moon. It's a story of cosmic collisions, chemical signatures, and the ongoing mysteries of our universe. So, what do you think? Are you surprised by the potential origins of Theia? Do you find the idea of a local origin for Theia more intriguing or less so? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your take on this cosmic tale.